For coaching, it's about 6 months. 6 months, it takes about 8 to 10 sessions, so about 1.5 sessions a month on an average. So 6 to 8 months. No, these are two different things. That is one. और OD में भी ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपको शायद कोचिंग करना पड़े किसी का. तो आप जब OD कर रहे हो, तो उसमें कोचिंग कैन बी वन ऑफ द इंटरवेंशंस. So OD can be one of the interventions as a part of OD. Like training also can be one of the interventions under OD. That you feel that people have not been trained on XYZ, so they need to be trained. You feel senior management are showing behavioral issues, so they need to be coached. So coaching can become a part of OD as an intervention. Yeah, it's a very, very valid point. Yeah, the whole idea is that we have charted out what we want to do. Then I go back to the person, then I go back to the sponsor, his senior, to check if things are working out. But there's no metric as such. There's no metric as such, but there is an action plan which is monitored. वो बिलीफ क्या है उस पे है सर, कौन सा बिलीफ है उस पे कोई किताब रहेगी. तो नहीं, बट बिलीफ ऐसा है ना कि बिलीफ आपका कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो आप कम्युनिकेशन का इश्यूज ले लिए, उसका अलग किताब रहेगा. आपका assertiveness होगा. I will do that. I'll try and recollect with the authors and give it to you to the best of my ability. SMEs. SMEs, OD no. Coaching? No, coaching I have done with corporates. Individual. Correct. So OD and coaching is a different. So as I said, whether I have done with an SME, with a corporate, the process is the same. People will be people. So what I'm doing now is I'm just pulling out one slide for Girish, which says how counseling is different from coaching, right? So I'll pull up that slide. Yeah. So I gave a period. I said 6 to 8 months. No, I gave a period. Presentations, intro to coaching. Okay. This is quick slide on how counseling and coaching are different. Shall I read this or can you read it? What do I do? You can't be read? Can't be read? Okay. Counseling focuses on exploring both personal and professional issues and problems of the client through discussion to increase understanding and develop greater awareness. Counseling would probably try and identify what is wrong and try and give some kind of a advice or recommendations. But coaching is something where we will try and go behind the reason for it and try and arrive at a solution not driven by the coach but driven by the coachee. He will try and tell me what he would like to do and how it will be done. Whereas a counselor is a one-sided download. I don't think you can tell too much to a counselor saying I don't want to do it this way, I don't agree, let's do it differently. So that does not work with a counselor, but it works with a coach and a coachee, because the coachee decides jointly what is going to be the agenda, what is going to be the goal, and jointly they go ahead. So there is a challenge of element, there is an element of challenge in coaching, which is not there in counseling. In coaching? I don't know, okay. No, most often it is remedial. Counseling is remedial, sir. On the contrary, counseling is actually remedial. Coaching is not remedial. Coaching is non-directive, non-judgmental, non-remedial, saying, boss, what can we work on? Let's talk. A counselor typically may not speak to you that way. In the strictest definition of coaching and counseling, definition of coaching, if you ask 5 coaches, are also different. But in the strictest definition of counseling and coaching, the coaching is where it is non-directive and non-remedial. Counseling is very remedial. Absolutely. Hmm. 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 Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll leave this slide on. What I'll do, I'll leave this slide on, and we can, whoever is interested, we can walk up and take a look and figure out what is what, because like you said, the definition of counseling and coaching itself varies from person to person. What I do as coaching, somebody else does as mentoring and says that is coaching. So there's a difference between, I have a slide on mentoring and coaching. All this will come to you. So I'll just tell you what is here so you will know what is coming your way. What is therapy versus coaching? What is therapy? What is coaching? Counseling versus coaching, consulting versus coaching, mentoring versus coaching. Yeah. So mentoring is typically telling the person what to do, how to do it as a senior. I probably coach people who are much senior to me in age. But you don't have a mentor who is junior. You'll always have a mentor who is senior telling a person, "Ye karo, aisa karo." कौन सा? नहीं सर, नहीं होता. Mentor, आप देखिए, mentor will always be a senior person. आप एक 40-year mentor, 55 साल के आदमी के लिए आपको mentor नहीं मिलेगा. But a coach can be 40 years old. A coach may not have played cricket, but he can coach Sachin Tendulkar. He can be junior in age, having not played cricket. That is a coach. But a mentor, you can't mentor Sachin Tendulkar without playing cricket. Who can mentor? So the Achlekar was a coach, not a mentor. Mentor is always senior. He's never played cricket. Test level. No, I'm saying test level. And coaching, he has played cricket at a fairly junior level. Not at a test level. He's not played one day, not played 2020, not played a test. So I'm saying that a mentor necessarily you will find will always be senior with more experience, telling the person how to do, what to do. A coach can afford to be junior. I can't be a mentor to a 65-year-old person, but I can be a coach. And if he comes to me for mentoring, I'll say, thank you very much, I can't. Absolutely. I'm saying I am not a finance guy. I can coach a finance guy, but I can't mentor a finance guy. Finance का कोई बंदा आएगा, I can coach him so that his workplace improves, his workplace performance improves. But I can't mentor him because I don't know that job. So to mentor a finance guy, you better be a finance guy. Don't even attempt it otherwise, is my suggestion. So metaphor सामने है, if all of you can read it. I don't know if all of you can. A therapist will explore what is stopping you driving the car. A counselor will listen to your anxieties about the car. Mentor will share tips, sir. Mentor will share tips from his own experience of driving cars. Consultant will advise you on how to drive the car. Coach will encourage and support you in driving the car.
So we should always go for a coach.
Depends on whether you need mentoring or coaching. Not necessarily. Because my first response to a client is, this is coaching, this is OD, this is mentoring. I'll speak to you after 1 week. You tell me what is your requirement. I give him all the 3 options. I don't tell him you need coaching. I send him this presentation. आप बोलिए आपको क्या चाहिए? What is the problem? He comes back and tells me he needs mentoring. Thank you very much. I can't do it. Not my job. So that was my last slide. Thank you very much for being such patient, attentive listeners. Thank you for coming. Thank you once again. Thank you. हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. अरे yeah, what? Yeah. Sure, sure. Let's start. Whatever you say, Girish. No, you just had something to say. You just made a suggestion. So that's very who said that? Thank you. That is so encouraging. Thank you so much. That is so encouraging for me. So my coordinates, I don't know if you can see. You can get in touch on this email ID, this telephone number. Yeah. Any other discussion? Any other questions? Something that didn't work well? What you didn't like? What could have been better? What can we do the next time for you? Just one small request after you have had your nashta. You have that paper with you, the post-it with you. Excuse me, you have that post-it with you, all of you. One small request before you go. One word about how you are feeling now before you go, please. Before you go, just one word on how you are feeling. Please leave the paper behind. Names not required. So this will be completely confidential. Names are not required. So if all of you could do that, that will be very nice for me. Come again? Come again? No, I am saying assignments of OD of any nature within the corporates also are a challenge. All I can say, every assignment is a challenge. The nature of the challenge will vary, but the fact remains that there will be issues, there will be challenges. It will not be easy sailing.
We started our discussion little late. We started our discussion little late, but we wanted to finish it just in time. I'm thankful to Rahul for sparing his time and coming and addressing all of us. I'm thankful to all of you for participating enthusiastically. I feel sorry for those who left and those who registered their name and didn't come. Girish has the habit of telling me not only to propose a vote of thanks but also to sum up. Now to sum up, I have to only say one thing, that perhaps the most neglected aspect of any business is human resources. And we all know that human resources come in different shapes, size, color and attitude, and therefore it requires greatest attention, because whatever you deliver in your business is through people. So unless you take care of the people, perhaps you cannot take care of your business. So the overall attempt of the HRD forum as a whole, all these years, have been only this, that we must give the HR the importance it deserves. And there are scientific tools available to deal with it. I mean, in spite of the greatest variable that human resources are, there are scientific tools available, provided there is a willingness to adopt and change. So I do hope that you will take some clue from whatever has been discussed and consider OD as a greatest tool through which you can improve performance of your business. So the objective of all HR intervention is to improve the performance of your organization, performance of your business. So I'm sure you have taken some clues. As it is, there are, the VIA's help desk is available for you to give you all the details of the type of people available for OD intervention and for overall performance improvement of your business. Thank you so much for participating. We do hope in future also, whenever there are programs from HRD Forum, we will participate with the same enthusiasm. Thank you very much. Offline, let us network now.